So, calendar effect at saka calendar adjustment. So, yung calendar effect, yun yung pagbabago. Pagbabago ng calendar, ng business calendar. Yung pagbabago ng araw. Diba? Yun yung calendar effect. In different times and different time periods. Yung calendar adjustment, yun naman yung pagtatanggal ng calendar effect. Kasi alam naman natin, pag nag-track tayo ng business, pag tinatrack natin yung business cycle, malaking factor yung araw. Araw at buwan. Diba? Araw, translated to months, malaking ano na yun. So, alam naman natin yung short-term statistics is yun yung yung short-term statistics, alam naman natin na yun yung pagtatrack ng monthly and quarterly business cycle ng isang business. So, malaking bagay yung araw. Pag may na-move na isang araw, that is calendar effect. And then, pag mag-a-adjust ka, ang tawag doon calendar adjustment. So, yun yung mga tinitingnan ng mga business executives. Ganong kahirap. So, yun lang po.